How to enter Box 12 information on your W-2 in Credit Karma Tax. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to creditkarma.com. Here you want to click on the option of Login. Once you click on this option, another page is going to open up. And now on this login portal, you first have to enter your email ID. Then enter your password and click on the login option. Now, once you have been logged into your account, if you already started your tax return, you can continue where you left off. If not, you can start a new tax return. In the section where you input your W-2 information, you will come across a field specifically for Box 12. Over here, Credit Karma Tax will guide you through each box on your W-2 form. Look for the field labeled Box 12. In Box 12 of your W-2, your employer may have included various codes along with the corresponding amounts. Each code represents a different type of compensation or benefit. Enter the appropriate code and the associated amount into your corresponding field in Credit Karma Tax. There will also be explanation or description for each code to help you identify which one applies to your situation. Follow any on-screen instruction to ensure accurate reporting. After entering all the necessary information on your Box 12, review your tax return to ensure accuracy. Once you are satisfied, you can proceed to submit your return. If you are unsure about the specific codes in Box 12 of your W-2 or need any assistance, you can contact the customer support of Credit Karma Tax or also refer to the instructions provided by the IRS. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.